Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the precise scope and safety boundaries. Make sure to decide crisis versus wellness right away. Once done, pick your delivery platform and confirm authentication, latency, and data flow constraints. You must combine a lightweight rule engine for triage with a fine-tuned LLM for empathetic conversation. This ensures reliability plus natural language. Also prepare minimal data stores and logging so you can iterate safely and trace decisions as you launch the first prototype. You now implement the core pipeline. Incoming text, preprocess to normalize and strip PII, run intent detection and sentiment scoring, then call the response model with a persona and constraints. Make sure to include a safety filter step before any output. This prevents harmful suggestions. Once working, integrate session memory for context and a clear handoff path to human support. You should also automate continuous testing with synthetic dialogues and clinician reviews so the model stays aligned and safe. You finish by deploying a staged rollout and monitoring key metrics, escalation frequency, user satisfaction, and false positives. Make sure to have an immediate human escalation path with explicit triggers and audit logs. Once live, collect failure cases and reproduce them locally. Use those examples to tighten filters or retrain the model. If things go wrong, prioritize safety, pause affected flows, apply stricter rules, and notify stakeholders while you implement a targeted fix and validate with clinical reviewers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.